And today, we're diving into something that's stirring up a lot of buzz: the 2026 Corvette Stingray GT. This isn't just another Corvette update. It's a significant evolution of an American icon. So, if you're a fan of performance, style, and innovation, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the exterior because, let's be honest, the first thing that hits you about the 2026 Stingray GT is how stunning it looks. Chevy has taken the aggressive, supercar-inspired look of the C8 generation and refined it even further. The front fascia is sharper and more aerodynamic, with a redesigned grille that optimizes airflow and cooling. You'll notice the new vertical intakes near the front corners, not just for show. They actually help reduce drag and channel air efficiently around the car. The headlights are slimmer now, with a more aggressive sweep, incorporating advanced LED tech that adapts to driving conditions. Around back, the quad exhaust tips are still a signature Corvette trait, but the rear diffuser has been completely redesigned for better downforce at high speeds. The taillights are now fully integrated into a more sculpted rear, giving the car a wider, more planted look on the road. And yes, the optional carbon fiber aero kit just takes the entire look to the next level. You can choose from several bold new colors in 2026, including a striking electric blue, a deep metallic crimson, and even a matte graphite gray for that stealthy vibe. Chevy's offering optional forged aluminum wheels in multiple finishes, from polished chrome to satin black. If you're the kind of person who wants to make an entrance, this car absolutely delivers before you even turn the key. Now let's hop inside. And this is where the Stingray GT really separates itself from its predecessors. Chevy has gone upscale, no question about it. The interior of the 2026 model feels like a proper luxury sports car. Premium materials are everywhere: soft touch, leather, real aluminum, carbon fiber accents, and a new micro-suede headliner that gives the cabin a very premium feel. The driver-focused cockpit remains intact, but it's been refined. The squared-off steering wheel is still there, giving you a clear view of the fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. The graphics are now smoother and more responsive, and the customization options allow you to tailor the display to your driving style. Whether you're cruising in tour mode or ripping through corners in track mode, Chevy has also updated the infotainment system. You now get an 11-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates, and even an integrated performance data recorder, perfect for tracking your laps at the track or just showing off your driving stats. Voice recognition is noticeably better, and the whole interface is much more intuitive. One of the standout interior features is the new sport seats. They come standard with heating and ventilation, and in the GT Premium trim, you can opt for Nappa leather with contrast, stitching, and adjustable lumbar support. These seats are supportive without being punishing, meaning you can enjoy a spirited weekend drive and a long road trip without fatigue. There's also a noticeable improvement. In cabin quietness, Chevy has added more sound-deadening material, and the optional dual-pane glass helps reduce road noise. It's still a performance car, so you'll hear the engine, but now it's more of a satisfying growl than a constant drone. Alright, let's talk performance, because this is where the 2026 Corvette Stingray GT really makes its mark. Under the hood, you're still getting that naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, but it's been refined and now pushes out 510 horsepower and 475 pounds-ft of torque. Thanks to improved intake and exhaust tuning. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster and more precisely than ever. 0-260 comes in just 3.2 seconds, and if you go for the Z51 Performance package, which includes upgraded brakes, performance suspension, and a sport exhaust system, you're getting even more aggressive acceleration and tighter cornering. It's rear-wheel drive. But thanks to the updated electronic limited slip differential and magnetic ride control, the handling is unbelievably sharp. The car feels planted, agile, balanced whether you're on a winding mountain road or attacking the track. One thing Chevy's done a great job on is making the Stingray GT accessible. Even in base trim, the car is insanely capable. But if you're a more hardcore enthusiast, the performance options let you customize the Stingray into a true track weapon. And yet, it remains comfortable and usable for everyday driving, something not every mid-engine sports car can claim. In terms of fuel economy, you're looking at an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city and around 24 on the highway. That's not bad at all for a car with this level of performance, and with a 18.5-gallon tank, you're getting decent range for long drives too. Safety features have also seen a solid upgrade. For 2026, the Stingray GT includes standard blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. These tech upgrades help make the Stingray GT more than just fast, they make it smart and safe for real-world driving. So let's get down to pricing. The base 2026 Corvette Stingray GT starts around $72,000, which is incredibly competitive when you consider what you're getting: a mid-engine sports car with over 500 horsepower, cutting-edge tech, and real street presence. The Z51 Performance package adds around $6,000, and if you go for the fully loaded 3LT trim with all the luxury touches and track-ready gear, you're looking at about $94,000 before options. Honestly, that's still a bargain compared to European rivals offering similar performance, some of which is cost over $120,000. For people who want a pure, engaging driving experience without sacrificing comfort and style, the 2026 Stingray GT might just be the best value in the sports car world right now. It's not just fast, it's refined. Not just good-looking, but intelligently designed. And not just affordable, but downright impressive for what it delivers at this price point. So there you have it, 2026 Corvette Stingray GT. It's more than a facelift. It's a bold step forward for an American legend. Whether you're a Corvette loyalist or someone just discovering what this car is all about, this version is absolutely worth checking out in person.